Namaste everyone. Welcome to Yoga Pravaha. I am Sonu Vijayakrishnan from Kerala. Today we are going to practice a simple 10 minutes pranayama for all the beginners. In our last video, we have discussed the concept about prana and shwasa, the life force and the breath. If you haven't watched that video yet, I highly recommend you to go back to that video to have a deeper understanding before we practice this pranayama. I'll add the link in the description box down below. Today's practice will help you to calm the mind, to balance your energy, as well as to increase your lung capacity. So please sit comfortably anywhere with your spine erect and let's begin. So before we start the practice, gently close your eyes, hands on your knees. Either you can open your hands for the openness or you can keep it upside down for the grounding. And relax your shoulders. Let's gently observe 3 deep breaths. Inhale deeply. Nice and soft, and exhale completely. Let's do it again. Inhale deeply. And exhale it out completely. Release and relax yourself. Let's do it again. Inhale deeply. And exhale it out completely. Now let's begin with the Dirgha Pranayama. We can call it 3-part breath. Now we are going to place one hand on the belly and the other hand on the chest. We are going to inhale deeply through the nose, expanding the belly first, then the ribs, and finally the chest. And as you exhale, release from the chest, then the ribs, and finally from the belly. We are going to practice 5 rounds, inhale and exhale. Let's do it. Let's start inhaling. Inhale through your nose deeply towards the belly and the ribs, and expand your chest. As you exhale, release from the chest, then the ribs, and finally the belly. Second round, inhale deeply. And exhale it out slowly and completely, very nice and soft. Enjoy your breathing. Inhale deeply. And exhale it out completely. Just complete awareness on the breath. Inhale deeply. Expand your belly and the chest. And as you exhale, release from the chest and from the belly. Again, inhale deeply. Just flow like the waves in the ocean. Just enjoy the pranayama. Exhale. Let's do it one more time. Inhale deeply towards your belly. Just observe the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen. And exhale it out completely. Release all the tension from your body. Take your time. Very good. I hope you all learned the Dirgha Pranayama. Now we are moving forward to another pranayama, a beautiful pranayama called Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. Now let's move to the Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. We can call it alternate nose breathing. This pranayama helps to balance the both hemisphere of our brain as well as calm the nervous system. Now bring your right hand into Vishnu Mudra or Nasika Mudra. I'll show you how to do it. Just gently bring your index finger and middle finger inward. Now we are going to place the thumb on the right nostrils. First we are going to exhale completely through your left nostrils. Now inhale through the left nostrils. Hold the breath. 1 and 2. Now gently close your left nostrils with the ring finger and open your right nostrils and exhale it completely. Inhale through the right. Hold the breath. 1 and 2. Now gently exhale through the left nostrils. This makes one round of Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. Now we are going to practice 4 more rounds together. So let's begin. Nasika Mudra. Gently close your eyes. Relax. Relax your shoulders, legs. Now we are going to gently exhale through the left. Release all the tension from your mind and body. Inhale through the left. Hold the breath. 1 and 2. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Hold the breath. 1 and 2. Exhale through the left. Enjoy your practice. Inhale through the left. Hold the breath. 1 and 2. Exhale through the right. Very good. Keep going. Inhale through the right. And hold the breath. 1 and 2. Exhale through the left completely. Do it very slowly. Take your own time. Inhale through the left. Hold the breath. 1 and 2. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right deeply. Hold the breath. 1 and 2. Exhale through the right. Now we are balancing both our hemisphere of your brain. Once again, inhale through the left. Take your own time to breathe. Hold the breath. 1 and 2. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Complete awareness on your breath. 1 and 2. Release from the left nostrils. Exhale. Amazing. Now we have learned how to perform or how to practice Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. Now we are going to have a little fun with another pranayama. It is another beautiful pranayama which I really love the most, which is Bhramari Pranayama. We call it the sound breath. So let's see how to practice and perform. And it's a great pranayama to instantly relax our mind, calm ourselves down and release the anxiety. And it is very effective. Let's see how to perform. So let's keep the hands like this. Close our ears with a thumb. Place your index fingers on the forehead and rest of the fingers on the eyes. Now try to bring your elbows up. So as we exhale, we are going to make the B sound and feel the vibration around the crown of your head as well as the face. So let's see how to do it. Let's gently observe our natural breath first. Take your time, no rush. Now inhale deeply. And as we exhale, we are going to make the B sound. Second round, inhale deeply. Feel the vibration around your head space. Inhale deeply, nice and smooth. Exhale, make the B sound. Let's do a couple more rounds. Inhale deeply. Let the vibration ease your mind. One last round. Inhale deeply. Enjoy your Bhramari Pranayama. Now gently release your hands. You can keep it on your knees. Now before opening our eyes, let's gently observe the natural flow of our air. Let's not try to control. Just observe the natural flow of your breathing. Take your time. Now whenever you're ready, just slowly blink, blink, blink. Have a nice smile on your face and gently open your eyes. I hope that humming bee sound or the vibration relaxed your mind or soothed your mind instantly. Just let me know the experience in the comment box down below after the practice. You can even save this video for later for the morning practice. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Yoga Pravaha, and if you have any questions, the comment box is always open for you. Please ask down there and I will be happy to help by answering those questions. As well as please share your experience after practicing this pranayama. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Till I see you next time, this is Sonu signing off. Namaste all.